Hi Leo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this this reading is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Leo, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. I love you, Leo. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsies. When you have the Tower card, the World card, the Emperor, Leo, I feel your energies are pretty burdened. Even though you are reaching a conclusion in life after a hard turmoil, a period of time wherein you thought the earth was shattering. But I feel communication coming in. This could be your energies. You might be communicating with somebody, and that could lead you to the much awaited closure. I feel times are changing and you will feel yourself being torn between a lot of aspects of your life. But hang in there, do not lose control, keep yourself grounded. I feel you're finally gaining authority over your life, or your father figure, mentor could be really important in the coming times. But I also feel that you will go through a lot of mental turmoil and you will feel burdened. So make sure you keep yourself grounded, you meditate, and surround yourself with love and people who only want the best for you. New love coming in. Somebody wants to offer you something new, guys, when it comes to love, romantic relationships. But you need to get rid of the deceptive energies from your past. Or this could be a person who is sneaky but is also trying to offer you something new. So take your time. Don't run into hasty decisions and land yourself in trouble. Guys, I also feel that you guys are torn between two things, two places, two people, two jobs, two aspects of life, two thought processes. You guys have been through a third party situation in the recent past, and in the near future you will find yourself bumping into somebody who wants to offer you something beautiful. But because you've been through something so horrible in the past, you are really taking your time to think about it, get to know the person, which is a great approach. Yeah, you have come out of a terrible ending. But I feel now when the sky is clear, the clouds have left, I guess you are going to be getting a beautiful new beginning, some beautiful news coming your way, wherein you will find your heart feeling light and loved. Yes, I'm pretty sure you will be refraining from taking any kind of hasty decisions now because it's happened in the past and you know how it feels if it goes down south. Some of you could be expecting a baby. So if you are, congratulations. If you're trying to expect a baby, this is the time. Like if you're trying to get pregnant, this is the time. It's great. You're paying attention to your work, trying to get your life back in order after this star moment. Yeah, Leo, those are your energies, Queen of Wands. You know where to put your foot down. where your dreams lie, what do you have to do to achieve your goals, and you know the sacrifices it takes, but it's leading you to something beautiful, Leo. Keep going. Lots of communication coming in. Who's trying to communicate with Leo? This communication will bring in closure to your life. Somebody is waiting for their chance to come so that they can communicate with you. Or these could be your energies, Leo. Somebody you walked out on, or somebody who walked out on you, wants to communicate with you, and probably let's draw one more card. Offer you this beautiful beginning. Ace of Cups. New beginnings in love, relationships, romantic angles. Leo, let's see some oracle messages. Within the next few months, if you had a timeline in mind, it's going to happen in the next few months, or I feel this new beginning in love is going to happen in the next few months. You and your loved ones are safe. You have a new moon in Cancer. You could be dealing with a Cancerian person. You could have Cancer in your charts. Absorbing what's not yours. Sometimes we take on other people's BS, we take on other people's pain, their suffering, because we can't see them that way because we have an empathetic soul. But just draw a boundary and keep your energies safe and guarded. The last message from the universe: there is nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Of course, Leos, I just hope you're doing fine and you're taking care of yourself because you are amazing. Always know that. If this reading resonated with you, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.